Hi, hello.
Hello, sir.
Yes, thank you for coming here today. We had a very productive meeting. Most of all, we had the guests, our former president of the Philippines, our chairman, honorary chairman of the Philippine Coastwise Shipping Association, Gloria Macapagal Arroyo, who is also a congressman. As you know, we need to work with Congress uh, for to do some legislative initiatives, no, to cure some of the existing concerns that we have with in the maritime sector. Also, we were very fortunate to have the chairman of the Committee on Transportation, Franz Bumaren, and his vice chairman, Congressman Arrogancia, and they promised to deal or address in future legislation, in future congressional investigations on issues like we are hoping on the matter of on marina, on some marina regulations, no, that are only for international and should not be for domestic. Okay, especially on licensing and competency for seafarers is very important. And also we discussed with the congressman, not today but last night, about allowing apprentice mates, no, to do apprentice on below 500 GRT. That will double the number of apprentices that can be accommodated. That's very important. That is of public interest actually. Yeah, and Philippine Ports Authority, we complain about the very high cargo handling rates, arrastre rates, and also we on the Coast Guard, no, on delays due to clearances by Coast Guard. Um, yes, and many many other issues. Okay.
You've been with former President Gloria. Uh, uh, Kung sa mga promise niya na ipaabot sa PCSA.
Well, she has always been actually supporting us. For example, the congressman here would not have come without her. Okay, so and also on the Magna Carta, she was helping us with the president. Okay, to have it amended. So yes, she is very supportive. She actually advises us on what's the best to do.
Sir, after 4 months since the war broke out sa the Middle East and very affected itong shipping, especially we're using
Yes.
the oil.
Ah.
Kumusta ang shipping industry ka?
Oh, we are we are in a crisis now, no? Okay, the 40-50% of our revenue comes, or of our revenue is fuel. So that's almost half is due to fuel. So imagine if it doubles. So we have to increase the rates. Okay, so at present now we are at 20%. If it reaches 100 liter and above, we may have to increase again. And we hope and pray that we don't come to that. Okay, yeah, we may need to rationalize some routes. In fact, there are routes that if it reaches 100 and above, we may need to reduce frequency, or some route we may not just we may just have to pause for a while if it's going to lose money. Yeah.
And your call to the government?
Well, we have been asking the government to reduce the tax for the airlines enjoy tax free. The ship owners do not. So that's one. We also requested for them to allow the ship owners to buy directly from abroad with less bureaucratic. But that does not happen. We approach the OTR to work with the OE, but that does not happen. We also requested for things like this, for PPA to give us free Roro terminal fees, free berthing, since they cannot give us any money. So that's how. And Cebu Port Authority, we are very happy that they came across, except for PPA needs to do more. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you.